Hello, welcome once again, you wonderful people on this channel. Today we are taking a look at soca, the Sebene guitar, Suku's way of playing guitar. Sometimes in the first lesson I said something about two chords. Sebene or soca or Congo lines, they are basically two chords. They rest on two chords or even one chord, but they play two chords and rest on one chord, or either they play different chord and rest on different two chords as well. But the basic thing to know is about two chords. Either you play here and end here, or you play here and end on one point. So let's take it. The 2.2 I'm talking about is about chords. Two chords. You will create your two chords depending on the progression of the song. So in the previous lesson, I said let's go to the guitar board. Previous lesson, I said let's use C. If you use C like this, do, so, fa, so. That's 1, 5, 4, 5. Most of the soca or sebene guitars run on these chords. Secondly, we have do, fa, so. That's 1, 1, 4, 5, 2. And you have do, so. Most of the songs or the soca runs through these chords. So we will take a look at different 2 to 3, 4, 5 different soca songs from Lekoto Mensah, Kandabongo Man, Mabel Oros, or different soca players that plays well, or they have their songs popularly in the air. So let's take look at the chords I'm talking about. I say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Take note of it. That is do, fa. So if you've not watched my introduction to soca lesson, please go back and watch the introduction to soca, because the introduction will let you know this. Because if anytime I start by going back to the basic level, it will make the lesson very long. But meanwhile, the main point will be around the 15-20 minutes. That time some of people will leave the video. So the best thing to know is that the chords do, fa, so. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. That is do, so, fa, so, or 1, 2, 3, 4. That is do, so. Most of the soca or sebene guitars run over this chords. So let's take a look at it. Sometimes I say we play do, we are creating do. Then we, instead of going to so, we use the so. Fa, but coming, instead of coming, so do, so we use the so, do. Then we come to fa, coming back to so again, we play. So instead of playing, we can choose to create something for do chord, but we are still. So you see, that's do, mi. Then we move to fa. Instead of playing the fa, you can play re, fa, or mi, fa, resting on the fa, and letting us that we are creating a chord, and the so far over a chord. Big bet. So easy. we are creating over the chord, because you can see do, instead of coming to so, we used then that's re minor, a relative minor. The same way we can play if I play re, it means we are on the fa chord, so we can choose to play re or so that is how soca, we create soca. This at the same time we can choose to play the so chord and use, you see, we've turned the so to become a chord. Then so let's create. So we've turned the chord around. Where we play the solo, we've turned that place to be a chord. And we use the do or and fa, because formerly do and fa was used as chords, because or you can play it or so it means we've played the chord as solo for the soul. Then we come to ba or then we run the solo over the so chord. Now you see, because if I play, it means it is in the so chord. That is re so. So that is the secret or the heart of soca. You have to understand exactly what you are doing. So I don't want to play or let you play verbatim as I'm doing. So it's better to learn from other masters. So let's go to Zitaninel, Kanabogo Man, other Lekoto Mensah, different players, and look at what I'm telling you, whether it's true or false. So let's play some of the song here from the PC. So let's see, we play this. So fa, so fa, do, fa. So you see, so he are using the so to play that. So let me stop the song and let's all do the analysis here. Fa, so, thing. So instead of going to so, you see, instead of going to so, he has used the so to create, because he was moving from do to so. So he before fa, so he's coming from fa to so. So instead of so here again, because you can see, so he's playing the fa and do chord, and he has used the soul alone for the filling. So if we take a critical look at this chord, let's play the song and ignore some of the chords and play 2 chords for the song, either do and re or do and so, because basically soca ends on 2 chords. So let's cut it short that way and see. So. If some like the re, you can play re, do, because do fa, or do and re, do, re. So let's use different. Because you can see it's sometimes harmonically in some way, but basically it based on 2 chords. So let's check out, maybe he plays a solo inside and follow some sequence and see what I'm telling you is true or not. Or re. It's a hat. So fa, so do, so fa. So he using the so for the solo. So let's go. Maybe we have solo. Okay, so let's see. You see? You see? You see, the pattern has changed. So he has created do and so, do and so. So let's play different thing and see, a different song and see. This D. This aposa. So you can see the main chord fa, so, do, fa, so. That's aposa. That you can create re or you see. So you see, he has created on the record. Then do fa so do ti fa. He has played the fa. So using the so do. Then he play re. That's T, mi, fa, so, la, ti. So then creating soca is not anything difficult, but it's how you understand exactly what you want to do. So you can create, because you can see we have two chords, or either you use the chords for different things and use. So you can see he's using. Then he played. The same way we can use. And then we change it, making the so chord rather, instead of making the so the solo. Then that is the meaning of the two chords I'm talking about, because you can see he is using the do and re here. Because he's playing the so that the same way we can choose ours, instead of making the do, we use that point for the solo. So we have to create the first one to do, because la so it means we are in the do chord, or we are in the so chord, or we play here, or here we are still in the so chord. Then we are going to where fa, which is fa, we have fa. We are creating differently. Let's try different song, because you can see either we play the chords and use one chord instead of do, fa, so, do, fa, so, do. So we play do as solo, as we did in the introduction. Or let's go to different song and see. This one too is the. Have it do, so this one is do, is do. So let's stop it and look at this one too. So you see, so chord. So instead of so do, when we play the so, then he played it for the second, instead of playing the second so. And he here. My guitar is finished, so let's come to this. Then we because you can see, because you can choose do and re, or do and so. So that's the heart of the soca. Playing soca is to understand the song. This one, I don't want to play everything as it is, but we are just analyzing the chords, progression, the style, techniques. So in the next lesson, we will choose one of these songs and do it from A to Z, 100%. You can see that it will be very easy for you to follow or to play or learn it yourself, because the understanding is the main important thing for me. Not just playing the show off or playing, making it sweet for you. No, but to understand and follow the steps we are playing, how we are going about the surface, everything in the lesson. So my friends, don't forget to share the video, like, leave me a comment, or if you have a song or a soca, anything you want us to take a look at it, please leave me a comment and I will download the song. We all do. And now on, I'll just add the link to the lesson or the songs we have done, so that you check under the description and download the song yourself and learn alongside with what we've done. Sometimes it's somebody's song, we cannot use the whole song. Thank you for joining me in this lesson.